You're about to watch the Polly Gabbert channel. Enjoy.
Alright, so now I'm going to build the fire, and we're going to see how well this little wall in there helps the heat retention. We'll build a little house around it. Birds are out here in full force making a lot of noise, and my stomach is growling. Alright, I carefully pushed the fire back, and now I'm going to put the pizza steel in there so it'll get heated up. To need to keep building on this fire until the stone gets hot. This thermometer is now useless with that partial wall up in there. I don't know if that thing is useless or what, but it doesn't matter. Everything's by eye. No need to split hairs here. Just gotta make good pizza. Once I get this heat established, I'll start adding some apple wood in here. This wood is just some wood from a gas station, and they didn't even know what kind of wood it was. It doesn't matter, it's dry, it'll make it hot. Then we'll go with some apple wood. In general, it's a pretty still day. No wind, not much, and this fire was burning really nice. And then it got a little breezy, and it kind of blew it out a little bit, so I put another lighter cube, a Weber lighter cube in there, and looks like we got it back. Now I think that little baffle heat shield is kind of doing the job. Let's check the temperature. So yeah, I want it to get at least above 500. Right now it's about 440-ish. Yeah, we are looking for the perfect window of temperature to go back in the house and make the pizza. So everything, it's a timely manner. You cannot just build a fire and throw a pizza in there. You gotta wait. You gotta let that thing heat up. You gotta let that fire burn good, because you don't want black smoke. You want it to be burning clean, just like a smoker, really. You don't want dirty. I just dropped my thermometer. Yeah, I think the baffle's going to do the trick. I know it's ugly. I haven't trimmed it yet, but I will. I think we can go make the pizza. Still a little dirty, but it'll be okay. Get a temp reading again. Yeah, it's getting hot. That thing is getting hot. Look at that. Looking good. Alright, looking good so far. The wind picked back up, so I'm not liking that. Let's see if we can get it in there a little bit more. It's cooking.
You're watching the Paulie Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Looking nice. Maybe I'll push that steel in a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, the wind just picked up. It's kind of making me mad. Look at the top of that pizza just starting to cook. Temp rating is, the pizza top's 240. The steel, yeah, it's cooled down, but it's cooking. Yeah, I think that dome is working. Pizza's definitely cooking. That's the main objective. And it has been met. So, could I have waited a little bit longer? Yeah, but you know what? I'm hungry. Yeah, this is good. Okay, let's pull it off to see if I pulled it off. Okay. So, gonna eat a piece here, and the first thing you can see, the bottom didn't get any color. What contributed to that? Well, I didn't use any honey or sugar, and the oven wasn't hot enough. I did use diastatic malt, but I only used about 4 grams of it when I should have used probably 8, and probably would have had much better color. But the biggest thing was that lack of heat. The heat on the steel, I should say, that is where the heat was missing. Just was not hot enough. Yeah, the pizza turned out, actually tasted great. Nice and chewy, not bready, very nice. And yes, I was hungry, so that's probably where my failure also came from. I was in a hurry to make it and eat it. So yeah, it's all good. It's only going to get better. When you're using wood, you're dealing with a different animal than an electric oven, I'll tell you that. Thank you for watching.